in your shaker base, we're going to add all of our ingredients. I'm just going to give you a quick synopsis before we get started because I want you to know we're going to have to shake like our lives depended on it. Because I don't know if you all have seen them pour espresso martini. You get, once you shake properly, you get that nice foam on top. And we're looking to get like that foam on top to put our coffee beans on to have that look and finish, right? Now, usually when you put in everything in the shake and shake, the shaker gets really crazy cold, right? I tell people if you feel like you're gonna have frostbite by the time you're shaking, you really want to shake though because you're not putting any ice in your glass, right? So we want to make sure our cocktail is really icy, chilly, cool, right? Before we actually pour it out, we're going to give it like 1 little minute to kind of settle so the foam kind of rises in the shaker so that when you pour it in there you get that nice foam on top, alright? So how is it? Good. Alright.
Let's make more vodka. Nice.
You want a bit more?
Hey guys, hey, thank you so much for tuning in to another Cook With Me video. I'm back at Jamaica Food and Drink for the second time around, and let me tell you, it's always such an amazing experience. I get to learn new dishes and connect with some incredible people. So you'll find the recipes in the description box below, but enough of me, let's dive back into the experience, and if you have questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section so I can answer them.
The nose is very important.
Hey. You'll break the egg, not the bowl. Don't worry.
No one wants You see that? Watch it. Not one shell. Let me do a drink, sir. Wow, watch it. Beautiful.
Alright, add those two in the mixer before you add the other. Okay. Add those in the mixer before you add it.
This side, yeah. Watch it.
Yes! Added the salt in the water. Add your potatoes in cold water. There is a science behind this. We're going to make wonderful creamy mashed potatoes. We need to make sure that the potato cooks evenly all the way through. If the water is boiling when you add in the potatoes, the outside of the potatoes are going to cook before the inside of the potato actually cooks. And that's why another time when you see people boiling potatoes, you see them actually remnants of potato in the water, like potatoes start to shell off and break away in the water, but they may not be all the way cooked.
so, so. You make me so, 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 so.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the back.
Is it chef for the
Regular, just close me.
yeah, whole milk?
Okay.
So good question. Yeah, you definitely got because you want it kind of creamy, yes, and you want it also soft, like very smooth.
Yeah, blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring. Like, hello, brother, say, I just saw down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, man, in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Yeah, but gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that they club to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just show what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. Just show what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Me, I'm in the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music, get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with the road. Toast. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with it.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do